This is about creating freedom for yourself, financial freedom for yourself, so that
You're working a small number of hours in exchange for much greater freedom to enjoy your life more fully.
there's no rocket science to this.
I'm just mega passionate about what I do, and I love sharing that information with people.
If you want to keep people's attention, you have got to take them on this continuous ride that takes them through highs and lows. Anything that you're giving out to people, the goal of it is to give value. You could spend 15 minutes a day working on this, and in the end you'd have an online learning program, you'd have a coaching program. I'm giving you the skills and explaining to you the skills that you're going to need to develop.
Because there's going to come a time as you're coaching and you're taking your knowledge base and developing your own program, you're going to need to use these same tools to empower your students.
And when you offer something that actually generates results, the result is 7-figure plus business and tens of thousands of very happy people. Genuinely, the potential that's there is 100% down to you. If there's something that you've learned over the years, a skill, something that you know that you could share it would add value for people, that's all I did. I'm just sharing with you the processes that I've used, the steps that I've taken
To develop an online learning program that's reached millions of people and generated millions of dollars and has helped thousands and thousands of people share their own skills with the world.
If you've ever wondered what it really takes to turn your knowledge, a passion, a hobby, as I did, into an online course, join me for this short free workshop, and I'm going to pull back the curtains, show you exactly how it's done, the steps, the insights, the behind the scenes reality of getting your knowledge out there, and whether it's something that you've thought about before, maybe it's never crossed your mind, grab a seat, join me. I'll show you exactly what's possible and what it really genuinely takes to succeed. So let's get to it, and I'll see you inside.